Hey guys, this is editor Daniel from the future. I am working on this video right now and I realized that I forgot to film a proper intro for it. So the quick rundown is that there was a blizzard in Chicago not that long ago and I decided to take both my cameras out to shoot it and document behind the scenes, and that's what you get to see here. So let's get this started with the first shot of the day. Alright, so it is snowing and the flurries are really big here in Chicago. So I'm going to attempt to go to the Flamingo and do some photographs for a print I have planned. I almost just slipped there. But yeah, so you can see the snow. It's all over. And we are currently on our way to like Adams and LaSalle / Clark Street to go photograph a giant sculpture. I also brought my flash. So I'm hoping with the flash and some gels I can make the falling snow look really cool. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, clap. I'm basically going to be using my microphone and my camera as a microphone for this, but we are here at the Calder's Flamingo, and I'm going to be throwing on a flash. I'm going to have this camera running to shoot what's going on in the general scene, and then using my main camera to actually do the stills for the project. So I don't even know if I'm in frame here. I don't know what my actual framing is. So this will be running, this will be shooting, and you get to watch the whole thing from behind the scenes. So let's get into it. So it's actually really cool. Too close again. It's actually really cool because it looks like a bunch of like flares basically on the image. Oh, I don't have a mic in this. This audio is gonna be terrible. I may also at some point decide to change the color of the filter on the flash to get different effects. I chose red. I knew red was going to look good because the sculpture is also red. So I might do blue next if I switch it, but we'll have to see. I'm about to switch to blue, so we'll see how that looks. So it actually turns out that blue is way cooler than red. Like, way cooler. So this is the part of our story where we meet a very unexpected character. You see, this guy right here decided to walk past me shooting and say, "Hey, do you need a model?" So I ran into someone on the street and they asked me if I needed a model, and I said, "Sure, I'm down." So now we're going to be doing a portrait shoot in front of the Flamingo. What is your name?
Amir.
Amir. This is Amir. My name's Daniel.
Nice to meet you.
know this is a very unflattering angle and focal length, but we are going to try to make our way over to the Chicago Theater. I really liked the look we were getting with the blue gel at the Flamingo, and if we can do the same look for the Chicago Theater, I think it'll look pretty cool. Alright, so we have basically made it home. There's one last shot that I want to do, and now that I've figured out this flash technique, I'm going to try to implement it. So that'll be the last shot of the night. It'll match the first shot of the night, but they'll have very, very different looks. So yeah, that's about how that day went. It was really fun getting out there and playing with gels and lighting outdoors and shooting during a blizzard. All of it was just like such a fun experience for me. I am doing a sale on prints for the shots from this video, so if you're interested in buying one of those, reach out to me on Instagram and just send me a DM. And as always, I want to thank you for sticking around watching the rest of the video. My name is Daniel Livingstone, and be sure to do something creative today.